Welcome to Echelon. This tutorial will show you how to assemble your Echelon Stride Sport. Your Echelon Stride Sport includes the following parts. 1. Stride body. 2. Phone holder. 3. Allen wrench. 4. Safety key. 5. Safety strap times 2. 6. Wall anchors and screws times 2. Remove the treadmill from the box and place it on the floor flat. Lift the uprights from the handlebars. Hold the left and right handlebars and rotate downward until a click sound is heard, locking the handlebars in position. Rotate the tablet holder upward by pressing the tablet adjustment lever. Plug in the power cord at the front of the treadmill. Plug the other end of the cord into a power outlet. Turn on the power switch. Insert the safety key into the front of the console. Pull the tablet holder up from behind the console. Adjust the length for the tablet. The smartphone holder can be placed in either water bottle holder. Place the smartphone on top. The tablet holder can be positioned at 3 angles. Press and hold the tablet adjustment lever with your right hand. Then adjust the tablet holder to the appropriate position with your left hand. Release the tablet adjustment lever once the adjustment is complete. Put on the safety key and press start. The treadmill will give a 3-second countdown. How to use the auto fold feature on your Echelon Stride Sport. Press and hold the tablet adjustment lever. Rotate the tablet holder backwards until flat with the handlebars. Lightly push down on the handlebars and press the folding button at the same time. Once the handlebars are unlocked, rotate them back against the uprights. Step down on the pedal lever for auto folding process until handlebars are horizontal with running deck. Hold the lift handle for transportation. Or lift one end of the treadmill up into the upright position. Belt alignment. If the belt has drifted right, unplug the safety lock and power switch and turn the right adjusting bolt 1/4 turn clockwise. Insert the power switch and safety lock. Run the treadmill. Observe the running belt's position. Repeat until the running belt is centered. If the belt has shifted left, unplug the safety lock and power switch. Turn the left adjusting bolt 1/4 turn clockwise. Insert the power switch and safety lock. Run the treadmill. Observe the running belt's position. Repeat until the running belt is centered. Belt lubrication. Keeping the deck lubricated at recommended intervals ensures the longest life possible for your treadmill. Failure to lubricate the deck at regular intervals may void the warranty. It is recommended that you reach between the belt and deck to verify there is lubrication present every other month. Turn off the treadmill with the on-off switch and unplug the power cord from the outlet. Using an Allen wrench, loosen the rear adjustment bolts 5 to 10 counterclockwise turns. This should give the belt enough slack for you to lift. Lift the belt as far as you can and apply the silicone oil in a zigzag pattern across the entire running deck surface. Use 1/2 bottle of silicone lubricant. Do not apply the silicone oil on top of the running belt. Lay the running belt down and then turn both rear adjusting bolts clockwise, the same number of turns loosened. After you've applied lubricant, plug in the power cord and insert the safety key. Stay off of the machine and press start. Allow the belt to run at 3 miles per hour or 3 minutes to begin spreading the silicone. Then walk on the machine at a comfortable speed for 3 minutes to complete spreading the silicone and check the running belt for proper tension and alignment. Once the belt is centered and tensioned, stop the belt. Wipe any excess oil from the side with a damp cloth. console display. Once a heart rate signal is detected or incline level is adjusted, the display switches between incline and pulse. The display shows incline when no heart rate is detected. Press the mode button to switch display to time. It shows the duration of the exercise. Display shows speed for 3 seconds when speed is adjusted up or down. Press mode button to switch display to stay at speed. It shows the current speed of the exercise. Press mode button to switch display to distance. It will show the total distance of the exercise. Press mode button to switch display to calories. It will show calories burned during training.